In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bjorgum TSI in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to use in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community indicators live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Move your cursor to that search bar and click to activate it so you can type. Now, carefully type in Bjorgum TSI. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators below the search bar. You should see Bjorgum TSI appear in the list of results. Make sure you select the correct one, as there can sometimes be indicators with similar names. Once you see it, click on Bjorgum TSI one time. TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price chart. Now that it is added, you will want to adjust the settings so it matches your preferences or your trading plan. To do that, hover your mouse over the Bjorgum TSI label on the indicator panel. You will see a small gear icon which represents settings. Click that gear icon to open the settings window for the indicator. Inside the settings, you can usually fine-tune things like lengths, smoothing values, colors, or line thickness. Take a moment to review these options and adjust them to something that is easy for you to read at a glance. For example, you might want to choose colors that stand out clearly against your chart background and make sure the lines are thick enough to see without straining. When you are happy with your changes, click OK or close the settings window and your indicator will update on the chart. If you do not yet have TradingView Pro, you can use the link in my video description to sign up and follow along with the same tools. Once that is done, you are ready to start practicing with Bjorgum TSI on your own charts.